What's up, everybody? It's your boy Gamer Guy, and today I went out and got some amiibos and some Disney Infinity characters and power disc and a watch. So I'll be unboxing them all on camera right now. First up is Lucas from the Earthbound and Motherbound series. See right there, it says Lucas on the top, right there by underneath Smash Brothers. It says 6+. It's pretty nice. So yeah, let me open this up. This is Lucas right here. Lucas is looks pretty nice right there. Lucas looks nice. Size of it, and the base. The base, it says Shigesto Io Nintendo, somewhere like that, and it's just the number. It's made in China. Okay, so that's Lucas. Next up we have Rob, the Fam Icon Colors, R-O-B. I'm not really sure what that stands for. See right there in the top corner, it says Rob. And yeah, he looks pretty nice in the package as well. So it's really nice, like the other one. So let's go ahead and open him up. The bottom covers up the whole base pretty well. Like, you can't even see the base. Pretty nice. Yeah, so he's yeah, so that's him. Rob. Looks pretty nice. All together. Alright. Next up we have something for Disney Infinity. There are some power discs for the Battlegrounds playset, which I do have. I just never unboxed the video. And so yeah, that's it. Whoa, I got something back here. Wait, no, I didn't. Something else. That's trash. So yeah, those are them right there. Let's start off with the Ghost Rider thing. That's pretty nice. It's a motorcycle. Then we got a blast from Darkhawk, and we got some kind of Nova Core thing. I don't know what this thing does. It looks pretty nice. And we got a cube of some sort. The Tesseract, I guess that's what you call it. Alright, that's for that. The next thing we have is something really new I didn't really expect them to make. It's for Disney Infinity, and it's a Mad Hatter figurine. It's looks pretty nice as it is. So I guess I'm going to open them right now. I'm not really a fan, but you know, Mad Hatter's the Mad Hatter. And I know who he is. And I was like, hey, I might as well get him because he's here. And I don't want to Atlas with that new guy at times. So, at least right now I do. I wonder where the card is. This one doesn't come with a card. Very weird. This one does not come with a card. Whatever. It's alright. So that's Mad Hatter. He's pretty tall, like Jack Skeleton. Looks pretty cool. That's him. Alright, so that's everything we got. Next thing, certainly not the least thing, it's a really cool Batman vs Superman watch. I don't think you guys can really see that. See, there is Superman, there's Batman. See that? Yeah, that's a pretty good picture. Yeah, it's a watch. I don't even think it tells time though, but it's nice. So I think I'm going to keep this in the package for right now. Just because I really don't know exactly how to open this. Yeah, I want to keep it in the package for it right now. But yeah, that's everything. So yeah, thank you for watching, and you know, as usual, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.